Hey learners, this is Janvi. Welcome to Unfold AI. So, today's video is all about artificial intelligence, and our agenda for today is first, we will start the session with understanding the general meaning of the words artificial and intelligence. Second, we will see how artificial intelligence is defined as. And finally, we will wrap up the session by taking a look at the different types of artificial intelligence. So, without further ado, let's begin the session, guys. First, what do you mean by the word artificial? So, any object or a thing that does not occur naturally is called artificial. That is, in simple terms, we can say that if a thing or an object is created or developed by us, that is humans, then it's called artificial. For instance, things like rocks, metals, plants, soil, etc., all these occur naturally, hence, they are not artificial. Whereas bikes, tractors, tables, and machines like computers, robots, etc., are all artificial as all these things are created by humans. Okay, so next, what is intelligence? Intelligence has been defined in many ways as the capacity for logic, the ability to understand, ability to learn, that is, acquire knowledge and skills, etc., ability to recognize and solve problems, capacity for emotional knowledge, reasoning abilities, ability to plan, being creative, have problem solving skills, and have common sense, self awareness, critical thinking, etc. All these capabilities or abilities define intelligence, guys. Okay, and we humans are born with intelligence, that is, we have some of these abilities since birth, and we will gain more capabilities as we grow, whereas machines that are created by humans don't have this intelligence naturally. That means they don't have any of these abilities mentioned here, guys. Okay, so that's what intelligence is in brief, guys. Okay, now let's get into our main topic, that is artificial intelligence. So guys, first let's see the definitions of artificial intelligence. Okay, so based on the meaning of the words artificial and intelligence that we learned in the previous slides, we can say that artificial intelligence is nothing but intelligence created by humans. Okay, and apart from this, artificial intelligence is defined in many other ways, guys. So now let's see the other ways of defining artificial intelligence. Okay, so artificial intelligence is also defined as the intelligence shown by machines. Okay, and the other way of defining artificial intelligence is it's the intelligence that mimics human intelligence. That means it's like an imitation or a copy of human intelligence. Okay, so that's what artificial intelligence is, guys. And one more thing, guys, the term artificial intelligence is also referred to as the branch of computer science that's concerned with the study and development of machines that have intelligence. Okay, next, let's look at the different types of artificial intelligence. So, by comparing artificial intelligence to intellectual capabilities of humans, that is, human intelligence, artificial intelligence is divided into three types. Okay, and they are artificial narrow intelligence, artificial general intelligence, and artificial super intelligence. Now, let's briefly understand what artificial narrow intelligence, general intelligence, and super intelligence are. So, guys, first let's understand what artificial narrow intelligence is. Okay, so artificial narrow intelligence is defined as an ability of an intelligent machine to perform single task. That is, machines with narrow intelligence are limited to solve exactly one problem or do one specific task. Okay, so this means their intelligence cannot be used to solve a different problem or task other than what they are built for. Okay, and narrow intelligence machines have less intelligence when compared to human intelligence. Okay, and some examples of artificial narrow intelligence machines or apps are chatbots, voice assistants, autonomous vacuum cleaners, face recognition machines, spam detection apps, movie recommendation apps, etc. All these are capable of carrying out a single task. For instance, let's consider chatbots, guys. What chatbots do, guys? They just answer our queries. That's it. It's just one task done by chatbots. Okay, and since chatbots are limited to just answering our queries, we say that they have narrow intelligence. And by the way, even self driving cars and the robot Sophia are also the machines that have narrow intelligence, guys. The reason is self driving cars are built only to sense its environment and move with little human input. That's it. That's the only task it does. As it does only one task, it is a narrow intelligence machine, guys. That means these self-driving cars just look at their environment, and if there is any obstacle in front of them, they will just stop the car. Otherwise, they will move, or they will just look at the stop signs, and accordingly, they will either move or they will not move. That is their only task, guys. So, as it is limited to only one task, it is known as it is said to have only narrow intelligence, guys. Okay, and coming to the robot Sophia, experts says that the robot Sophia is just like a chatbot with a face, and they also said that Sophia is heavily pre-trained before interviews to answer the queries just like chatbots, guys. Okay, so that is the reason even this Sophia, no, this robot Sophia comes under narrow intelligence machines, guys. Okay, so that's what artificial narrow intelligence is in brief, guys. Okay, next let's see what artificial general intelligence is about, guys. So artificial general intelligence is defined as an as the ability of an intelligent machine to understand and do any intellectual task that a human being can do. That is, if the machine intelligence is capable of solving any problem or capable of handling multiple tasks, then we say that such type of machines have general intelligence, guys. So for example, if a machine is capable of accomplishing the tasks of both chatbots and self-driving cars, that is, if machines have the capabilities to answer our queries, at the same time do the has the capability to drive a car, then such systems we can name them as artificial general intelligence systems, guys. Okay, and not only that, guys, these general intelligence systems are also expected to have common sense. Okay, but guys, these artificial general intelligence machines don't exist today in the real world, as they are still in the research phase, guys. But who knows, maybe in the near future they will be working and living alongside us. Let's see. Okay, and the final one is artificial super intelligence, guys. So artificial super intelligence is defined as the ability of an intelligent machine to be more powerful and advanced than humans, guys. That means machines with super intelligence are anticipated to be more sophisticated than humans, both in terms of intelligence and strength, guys. These machines are also expected to be self aware or have an ability to reprogram themselves to evolve into a more powerful machine, guys. Okay, and we are actually a very, very long way from achieving this super intelligence in machines, guys. Okay, so to summarize the types of artificial intelligence, we can say that if the machines are capable of doing only one task, then such machines are said to have narrow intelligence, guys. If a machine is capable of doing multiple tasks, then such machines are said to have general intelligence. And finally, if machines are capable of doing any tasks better than humans, then such machines are said to have super intelligence, guys. That's it. Okay, so now let's have a quick recap of whatever we have learned in this video, guys. So first, artificial intelligence is defined as the intelligence created by humans, or it's the intelligence shown by machines. And artificial intelligence is divided into three types, and those are artificial narrow intelligence, artificial general intelligence, and artificial super intelligence. Okay, if machines perform only single task, then we say that those machines have narrow intelligence. Next, if machines are able to perform multiple tasks and have common sense, then such machines are said to have general intelligence. And finally, if machines are powerful than humans in terms of intelligence and strength, and if they are capable of doing any task better than humans, then such machines are said to have super intelligence, guys. Okay. And researchers say that machines with general intelligence and super intelligence don't exist today. That means we are still in the world of artificial narrow intelligence, guys. Okay, but however, constant research is going on in the field of artificial intelligence to achieve general intelligence, guys. Okay, so we may one day see Sophia or other machines demonstrate intelligence just like us, and we may also see them helping us in all tasks. Okay, so that's a quick overview to artificial intelligence, guys, and I hope this brief introduction to artificial intelligence and types of artificial intelligence is helpful for you guys. So that's it for this video, guys. See you all in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe if this video is informative. Thanks for watching. Bye.